15 useful keyboard shortcuts for Windows users. Hey everyone, Alex Moen with today's BizTech tips here, and I'll cover the 15 shortcuts. I don't expect you to memorize them all, but I bet you could pick up one or two from this list and remember and implement them right away, and hopefully it makes your life a little bit easier. So first one we'll cover is Alt plus Tab. That helps you switch between open windows and programs. Control plus Shift plus Escape opens the Windows Task Manager. And if you're not familiar, the Windows Task Manager can help you close non-responsive programs. Or if your computer is running slowly, you can see what the CPU usage is for any program and maybe close that to free up a little bit of space. Control F for finding something in a document. Control and H is find and replace. Control Z is to undo an action. Control Y is to redo an action. F5 to refresh, and that can work for a current window or tab. Control plus C for cut, copy. Control plus X for cut. Control plus V for paste. And one that's pretty neat that I actually just learned recently is Control plus A is to highlight everything. Highlight all is how I remember it. And then for the next ones, you need to know what a text cursor is. So when you take the little mouse icon and you click on something, that's what the little flashing line is. If you do Shift plus Home, it highlights everything from where that text cursor is flashing to the start of that line. If you do Control plus Shift plus Home, it goes from the text cursor line all the way to the start of the document or the program. And then on the opposite side, if you do Shift plus End, it highlights from that point to the end of the line. And Control plus Shift plus End goes from that text cursor all the way to the end of the document or program. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know which one you're going to implement, and have a good one, everyone.